Hey guys, welcome to the first day of distance learning for Career Life. I think you'll notice that as we go through this is exactly the same as Base Life English. So if you've already done that, you should be good to go. But I do want you to watch my little screencast here anyways, just to make sure. So the first thing I want you to do every day is I want you to log into Google Classrooms. I want you to go to Career Life, okay? I want you to click on the daily schedule and assignments. Click right here. I don't know why that's not showing up. There it is. It's under instructions. Sorry. So click here on Career Life 2, Digital Learning, and this is your daily schedule. This is similar to the one I did for Base Life English. This is pink, the other one's green, but it's got the same information on it. Over here on the left-hand side, there will be a message from me daily. And then over here will be the tasks that I need you to do. And then in the future is going to be what's happening in the future. So if you haven't already, I want you to log into the hub and get your assignments and get your attendance taken. You'll be able to get your classes from this link here. And then you'll be able to go to your different classes and see where assignments are. My contact information, email me anytime. I'm not going to respond to you at 1 o'clock in the morning, but you can email me then if that's when you're doing your work. Text me using the Remind app. I'm at kmendoza20. You can call or video call me using a Google Hangout with my email address. You can also send me a message that way too. Or you can send me a message through Google Classrooms. But I do want you to get in touch with me. Down here at the bottom is the same link that you saw on the yellow slide before. And then down here is some resources for Kennedy's distance learning. And you can check those out right here on my little PowerPoint. So today is March 30th. I know maybe you were hoping that school was just over and they let us all graduate and we got to go on with our lives, but unfortunately that's not the case. And so we do have to do some learning. There's a lot of information I need to get to you, especially as you move on out of high school and onto life of your own. And so that's what we're going to be working on. This isn't what we would be doing in well, yes, it is. It is what we would be doing in class. We're just doing it differently. I've put it together in packets. Okay. So we're going to do some stuff in packets. So for today, you're not going to do any of the packet work. I just want you to do what you did in English, and I want you to watch my screencast. I want you to join my Remind class. The easiest way to do that is from your phone, and make sure your texting feature is on. Several of you just have your emails on. I need you to have the text feature available. Log into the hub. You can go back to the yellow slide to see that. And then check your emails. If a teacher emailed you, you need to respond to them. You need to respond and let them know that you're okay. And if they need something for you, you need to get that for them. Tomorrow and in the future, we're going to be working through 5 units on transitions. The first one is about getting to know yourself and self-reflecting. Second one is on education. We'll be doing some work on finance and communication, as well as employment, okay? Again, different than what we would be doing if we were right in the classroom, but we're going to make it work because this is what we have to do right now. All right? So for today, the only thing you need to do is to either join Remind. That's what you need to do. And then you need to make sure you log into the hub so you can get your attendance taken. Okay? And check your email, sorry. Those are the only assignments that I have for you today. Okay? Remember, if you need anything, if something doesn't work, if you have concerns, if you want to talk, email me, text me, we can do a FaceTime call, all those things I'll be able to help you with, okay? But I can't do it unless you reach out to me first, okay? All right, here we go. It's going to be a bumpy ride, but we're going to do it because we can do hard things. All right, take care.